telling you that when I made the pain behind the pain videos, and then when I've started getting leads and from good brands, I can see that they're already warm. They're not even asking me much during the first call itself. So they look quite impressed with, that I've already spoken to them about the problem, and now they just want to hand over the work. That okay, how do you want to start the work? How will you do it? So I don't even have to sell myself too much during the meeting. So that's one thing I really like. I'm yet to have a lot more meetings, but in the initial few calls, this is what my observation is. So the pain behind the pain videos are working really well to convert clients. Really.
Wow. And then you are saying that big brands are coming to you and they are, and you said some names also, right?
Yes, Outlook Events reached out and they want me to promote their upcoming 40 after 40, which is a retirement event, which is happening in Geo World Convention Center in Mumbai, where Ankur Warikoo and IDFC Bank, very senior executives are going to come, and they want me to promote that. They've already shared a lot of details. So we are still in the process of finalizing a contract with them. So if we are able to get enough attendees for them for this event, then they have a lot more events coming up throughout the year. So they want to discuss about that opportunity as well. Then there is one more company, Magnetized Events. They also are coming up with one event on the 20th of this month. They want us to promote that. And then they have one more event in Chennai, which is in a very big 5-star hotels. They do all their events in 5-star hotels only, where they want 500 attendees. So they want me to promote that. So during the call only, how can you promote it? How can you do it? Obviously now the money discussions will follow, but it's good for a brand like me, which is an upcoming one, or to have a brand like Outlook Events to come on my website and to kickstart things. So it's good brand. Yes.
In the portfolio.
Yeah.
So what is the potential possibility of you getting revenue out of these leads? जो अभी तक आएंगे, कई तो आएंगे भी.
Yes, good, very good potential. I mean, I can already see minimum of 3 to 4 lakh retainer is what I can see per month.
Per client?
Yes. So that's the scope that I can see, because they've been given huge budgets by the company to get footfall. And what I can see is that when I've put my name out there, the agency and what we do, I can see that there is so much requirement for a company like mine. And this is quite an eye-opener that so many people wanted services like ours, and now I have to work on getting the right resources because I'm overwhelmed now that how will I deliver results.
Wow, that is a beautiful pain to have every time.
So yeah, the hiring will follow. So finally, I'm really happy that I can see some roadmap and some, all thanks to the team, all thanks to you, Mr. Arya, and the team. I really hope what Sir wrote on the group, he's manifesting. He manifested, and I'm really trying to close something by that day, like by Wednesday or Thursday. I'm really trying so that I can actually meet him.
Perfect. Awesome. So I have 4 more questions for you. First question I want to ask, where were you struggling when you met Mr. Arya?
Where was I struggling? Structure, how to start, where to start. That time I was just thinking, I want to grow my agency. I want to get more clients. I didn't know how. So I knew what I wanted, but I didn't know how I am going to achieve that. So that how became very easy when there was somebody guiding and there was somebody that I was accountable, although it took some time. But yes, now I can see the how happening.
Perfect. Second question, how was your journey from there? Abhi experience kaisa chal? How is your journey going on while working with Mr. Arya and team TAF?
It's really good whenever, although I have so much to explore in the dashboard. Whenever I open, I'm like, I can learn something new today. And now that clients coming and so much work, I have to dedicate time to learning as well, because there's so much learning on the dashboard that I can see, because every time I open a video, I learn something and then I apply, and that happens. Any script related. So yes, the journey is very beautiful. I don't feel lonely in this journey, is what I can say. I don't feel alone. I feel that there is somebody there who's watching and who's there to help whenever I need it. So this is the most important thing when you're starting a company, starting an agency, because this is where you feel lost. But even for that first 5-6 months, if you have somebody, then the journey becomes easy. I think later on, when you are empowered enough and you have clients, then you become, I think, you become stronger in your head that I can achieve anything. I don't need anyone now. But the initial time, it's the most important thing.
Perfect. Third question. Now that you have worked with us since few months, है ना, काम हुआ है हमारे साथ, चला है अब मिस्टर आर्या के साथ. So where are you right now in terms of maybe structure you have improved? Whatever improvements have you got, है ना, क्या हुआ है?
So the major structure is how to get leads and how to close those leads is what I have been working on. So that part is solved. Not a lot, but yes, I'm still working on that. But how to get the company structure right, how to get the team structure right, all of that will follow now. But the very biggest challenge is how to get leads, get sales. For me, that was the priority. Because otherwise you set up the team, you hire people, system bana lo, dashboard bana lo, you don't have clients. I feel that's of no use. So my priority was get leads, get sales, get teams, get structure hota rahega.
Perfect. So last question. For someone who is skeptical to join Mr. Arya and TAF, what is your message for them?
Go for it. Don't think twice. If you are even 1% doubtful on your capability, then go for it. Because I feel it's worth the investment. You can probably get like 10 to 15 times ROI later on. That you should know how to get that. But yeah, it's all worth it, the initial investment. So I wanted to highlight this point that before joining TAF and team, I've been a salesperson, but how I used to think is, oh, we do this, we can do this for you, ये service provide करते हैं हम, ads run कर लेंगे, we'll do this, that. But after going through the course and after listening to sir's sessions, it's a mindset shift, it's a perception shift that client को कोई मतलब नहीं है आप वो ads कर रहे हो, ये कर रहे हो. So just focus on the ROI. So now I've started speaking to them in numbers. I'm still learning that because it has to instantly come into your mind. But I've started to talk in numbers कि आप इतने लोग लेके आ रहे हो, ये कर रहे हो, अगर आप ऐसा दोगे, this is what we can do for you. तो जितना हम चार्ज कर रहे हैं मतलब वो तो कुछ भी नहीं है ना in response to the money that we are generating for you. So just that mindset shift when you are thinking, that is impressive for them. They are getting impressed with that.
Right. Clarity मिल जाती है, right? उनको सब.
Clarity. So this I wanted to highlight.
Perfect. Thank you.